Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch-up video. Today's video I'm going to show what happens when I get some more work done on that steam boiler I bought. The one we tested with the leaking tubes. This is sort of the final chapter in the boiler test procedure, I suppose you could say. I've got quite a bit going on in the workshop. A couple of weeks ago I did a review on a diesel heater for Banggood. They've sent us another one, a different type, like a toolbox diesel heater, come car heater. I've got a review to do on that. And there was also a company got onto us and they make really detailed educational models, metal models, that I still need to do a review. It's a turbofan engine, got a decent size one, kit with I think 300 parts in. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get my wife Deb to do it because she's sort of really good with jigsaws and she's interested in mechanical things, so I've got that to look forward to. And I've got the normal broken studs, welding, I've got machining to do, I've got plenty to keep us going. Right, the time's come to cut the bastard up. I'm going to cut the centre flue out and then go from there. Right. Yeah, just some bits of raggy weld left on the pipe down there. Honestly, do you think them cross tube will be doing that much? Right, it's eventually given up. That was the tube that was leaking, so I'll cut it open and have a look inside it. Quite heavy wall stuff. The tube's quite nice inside there, no corrosion. This is what we've got for the new centre flue. Drop it into there. Get it welded in and then we're kind of in business. That bit of tube's twice as thick as the original one. Well, that's 5mm and that'll be 3mm. Reasonable fit. So it'll get nice. Fill it weld around there. Hold the cut in the bottom. Get that welded in. I'm not going to bother with cross tubes, I'm just going to weld the flue in. Cut that with a plasma, leave the line on and then die grind it to get it to. Right, careful grinding work now, that'll be a nice fit in there. Very happy with that. Some more stuff's come to life regarding this steam boiler I bought. I found some numbers, hope you can see them. Right, so it's got test pressure 300, working pressure 150, fair enough. It's got some numbers, it's got MOD, which is Ministry of Defence 1945. Now, I sent these to a friend of mine and he sent me a picture back of an air receiver that looks exactly the same as this. So I think this has been a converted air receiver. The more I get into this, the more I'm not going to be using it. I managed to get the fitting out the bottom which is basically just an iron fitting, which is just not suitable anyway. The taper fitting. And when I put my finger in there, I can feel a lot of rust and corrosion in this bottom plate. I'm not quite sure how thick that bottom plate is, and there's only one way to find out. We'll do a test drill and have a look, but honestly I'm beginning to have serious doubts about this thing now. Right, that tells me everything I want to know. That's probably only less than 3mm there. Certainly isn't enough. I'm going to cut the bottom of it out, and it's going to be a present for Debs. Basically it's going to be a expensive patio heater. I've also found out that the construction of it, it's sort of riveted. There'll be some sort of material in there to help seal it as an air tank, and it just won't do as a steam boiler. Right, that's definitely the end of it now. Be a shame, but it is what it is. I've learned a lot. I'll not buy any more and make my own. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I've been told that I must keep banging on about mental health. It really is important that you get help. If you have a problem, help is available. The worst thing you can possibly do is bottle it all up. I mean, blokes especially, they won't ask for help. There's a stigma about mental health. I mean, I'm supposed to be a big rough tough Geordie, and I'll tell you what it is, it had me on my knees. If it wasn't for like friends, my wife especially, and doctors, I don't know where it would have ended. Anyway, thanks for watching.